Hi there, it's Daniel from Datadog here. Did you know you can manage Datadog agent with configuration management tool such as Ansible? While Datadog provides a super simple one-line installation script, as your business grows bigger, it becomes increasingly difficult to manage a large and dynamic environment manually. But don't worry, Datadog also supports an Ansible module so you can automate not only Datadog installation and configuration as well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do that with a few simple steps. First, open up your favorite editor and create an inventory file called host.yaml. Put the host name of all the VMs or instances you'd like to manage under a tag. In this case, I will call it servers. Remember, in order for Ansible to work, make sure you have the ability to open SSH connection for each instance beforehand. Next, let's create another file for our playbook. I will call my Datadog.yaml. If you're not sure how to start, you can go to Datadog's web portal. Go to Integrations, under Agent, then Ansible, and you can copy the sample playbook from here. Let's take a deeper look on this Ansible playbook. Host is the tag of the instances that you like this playbook to run against. Remember, I called my servers in the inventory file earlier. Roles is the Datadog Ansible module that we will install from Ansible Galaxy, and we use beacon to make sure this playbook is executed as sudo user. Next, we want to configure a unique Datadog API key as variable. If you don't want to leave your Datadog API key in plain text, we can take advantage of Ansible Vault to encrypt our secrets. Use this Ansible Vault command to create a secrets.yaml file. Enter the password you can remember, and you can define the variable Datadog API key in here. Then save the file. As you can see now, our secrets have been encrypted. To configure any integrations, you can simply pull in under Datadog checks, like this, following the YAML syntax. And when you are done, save the file, and we are ready to apply this playbook. Before we start, we need to install Datadog module from Ansible Galaxy with this command. Once it's done, we can apply Ansible playbook with this command here, where Datadog.yaml is the playbook you like to apply. With -i, you specify the inventory file you created earlier. With -u and private key options here, you specify username and private key to open up an SSH connection. And with ask_vault_pass to allow you enter the vault password to decrypt your secret file. And that's it. For more information, you can go to Datadog's GitHub page and look for Ansible Playbook. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.